Starting day.
Hi everyone, this is Chef Suresh Shinasamy. I know this is a quarantine time, it's a very difficult time for everyone. But what to do, we have to stay at home. Then only the good for the family also and good for the country also. So today we're going to cook pasta, it's a penne pasta, kind of creamy vegetables pasta, whatever the vegetables you have home. So we're going to cook that one. Thanks for the Amul, it's making the great opportunity for everyone, it's a great platform for everyone. So let's see what are the ingredients here. So I took the penne pasta today. So penne pasta, and I have some vegetables and other ingredients like I have a carrot and potato and some butter over here and paneer. It's a hamul paneer and pepper, salt. I'm going to use some garam masala in that and chili and some garlic and onion, cilantro, that's mean a coriander and curry leaf. These all those things I'm going to use, and other things like Amul product I'm going to use like a fresh cream I'm going to use, and Amul fresh cheese I have. So Amul fresh cheese also I'm going to use, and Amul butter. So let's start how we going to cook. So I put some water in this, hot water. Let it be boil. In the meantime, you can switch on this also. I'm gonna make the sauce. In the meantime, same time I'm gonna boil the pasta also in this. I'm gonna crush some garlic. So 6 garlic, I'm gonna crush it. Always when you crush the garlic, the taste is too good. And I'm gonna slice some onion. Oh. So just slice the onion. I'm going to put some curry leaf. Mostly for the pasta they use like a parsley, tarragon and some basil they use, but this is the curry, kind of curry I'm going to make. It's a sauce with the curry, little bit curry leaves. I'm going to add one more onion. Let it be sauteed. So I know it's a quarantine time, but still you have to stay in the home. It's very difficult time, but still you can learn a lot of things. Like example, I'm learning my editing works. I'm doing some camera works also. I'm doing some reading some books also. So at the same time, you guys also, when you're at home, you can learn a lot of things. Like whatever you like the stuff, you just try to read or something. Do watch movies, whatever you like, just do it. the onion sausage very well. I'm going to add cream into this. And salt. And some garam masala. I'm going to use half green chili. And we can put some paneer also. Can add some more cream on this. Okay, today I'm going to use like a paneer I used and some carrot and potato. These are the vegetables I have, but in your home if you have like a broccoli, cauliflower and a zucchini, yellow squash, it's kind of vegetable apt for this, and you can ask add like a chicken or seafood varieties also, like a shrimps also you can add it. But this today we have like a vegetables, so that's why I use it. And you can use some spinach also in this. So almost the sauce is ready. For the spiciness, I put just a half of a green chili. The last minute I'm gonna crush some black pepper into that. It's almost ready. For the herbs, I'm gonna use the cilantro. Cilantro and curry leaf. That's it. Simple things only I'm making. That's a touch of the Indian flavor will come in this pasta. So now I'm gonna switch off the sauce. It's almost done. Let it the water let it be boil. Just I'm gonna add some more butter. See, this is the consistency. So last minute I'm gonna put some cheese also in this. This is the right consistency, the pasta. Mostly always some people they used to do like saute the paneer or grill the paneer, but when you put the paneer like this it will be fresh and nice. So just I will check the salt. Good. I put always half salt only, because when boiling the pasta also we put some salt also, so you just add some half of the salt only, because the cheese also in that salt is there, and butter also in the salt in that. So don't put too much salt on this. Last minute you can add the salt. So here almost the water is boiling. I can put the pasta. Just I'm gonna cover, because I'm sitting in the outside. And this kitchen I'm mostly used for the kids kitchen. Like I have a YouTube channel, kids kitchen. I'm teaching for the kids. So mostly this is the place, like a balcony garden I use for this. That's a where I set up this kitchen. It's a very simple kitchen and a very friendly kitchen. So That's the reason I use it, but little bit windy over here and it's hot also, climate. The pasta is boiling. It will take like 6 minutes to boiling the pasta. It's called the al dant. It's a right al dant texture if you take. It will be very nice, especially Amul product. Mostly my son love the Amul product, like a cheese or cream. He love that because 60% the consistency. If you cook another 40%, the taste will come. The product, because the fresh cream, it's very tasty, and cheese and the butter, it's maximum level of taste you will get. And after 1 or 2 minutes, it will be boiled. Put some salt on this. I'm gonna add some salt. And I'm gonna add potato also. Like after 1 or 2 minutes it's cooked, just put the potato. I cut it like a battens. You see the battens, it will give the good texture for this potato. And the carrot also I'm gonna put same like the batten style. You can add some egg also in that. The same temperature, like 7 minutes it will take the pasta, 6 to 7 minutes. Even egg, it will take 7 minutes for the proper egg to cook. So mostly my son like the egg, so the same time I put the pasta, when boiling the pasta I put the egg also. It will be done properly. The sauce is yummy. So I'm running the restaurant called Samis Dosakal. I have some times for the talk something. So I have a restaurant for Samis Dosakal, and I'm working for like channels. I'm doing my programs like JRTV, Z Tamil, a lot of TV channels I'm working also, and I'm doing my cooking shows. Like the last 2 months, I'm doing my YouTube channels like kids cooking. Kids are absolutely amazing. And so I have a good opportunity to work with. I mean kids also. Last 2 months only I'm doing. It's a really enjoyable one, and another channel is Taste of Nation. I'm visiting like a lot of restaurants and hotels and a lot of places. That's called Taste of Nation by Chef Suresh. It's an amazing experience in that. Boil. I'm gonna crush some peppers. Always the vegetables or the peppers, like example, look, onion and all, you just cut by a la carte, it will be nice taste. And the peppers, always crush it and put, it will be amazing taste will come. So mostly for my cooking, I used for crushed peppers. Amazing, the pepper is ready. So you can see the flavor. Oh my god, so love this. Let's check the pasta. Pasta almost ready. So according to the consistency, some people they like the pasta with a lot of sauces, and some of them they like a little bit dry. According to the consistency and the taste, you can change. But I'm making like a medium only. For this, I just put the like a cilantro and curry leaves I put, but according to the taste you can change it like a curry, I mean parsley you can put, basil, oregano, tarragon, so kind of different herbs you can put. And the spiciness I make it like a little bit Indian touch. That's the reason I use for the green chili. Otherwise you can put just crushed pepper on that. So pasta is almost ready. The potato also almost cooked. Just another 1 minute. First, I make for some garnish for the plating. Just cut some sliced tomato. And I'm gonna chop some cilantro also, coriander. I have some microgreens, so you can use some microgreens. I like fenugreek and some mustard and jeera, kind of like microgreens that grow in there. So if you see that, so this is the way I grow the microgreens. It will take like 10 to 15 days to grow. Nice and fresh. Wash it nicely. So pasta almost done. So I can switch on the sauce also. So I'm gonna strain the pasta. So very easy and simple recipe. Anyone can cook. Even your kids can also cook this recipe. So pasta is ready. I'm gonna add into this. Yummy. Look delicious. Can add some more cream into this. And I'm gonna add some cheese, Amul cheese. You can see that. Just add a little bit. I'm going to add when I serve also. Amazing. I'm going to add some. Pasta is ready. Let's put some cilantro and some peppers. I'm going to add it. Even you can mix the peppers also. Just I put it on top because I have used the green chili. That's the reason I put little bit pepper and some microgreens. Some tomato. going to add a little bit of lime for the salad to enhance the taste. So amazing, the pasta is ready. So one of my visitor is there to taste the pasta. Is a cameraman chef Surya. Come here, Surya. We can taste because he loves the pasta. Okay. Say hi to them.
Hi.
Yeah, he's my son. He's 7 years old, right? Oh, sorry, 8 years old. He's the 4th standard, right? He's the one who helping for me for the camera work for my YouTube channel, and now also he's the one who took the who took the videos. Yeah, just. He love pasta, especially the white sauce. See the face. Trust me, the pasta is amazing, excellent. So you want to say something? Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Try the recipe. It's excellent recipe, but simple recipe. Stay happy, stay healthy, and be positive. Everything will be all right. Quarantine is gonna finish soon, as soon as. Anyway, take care. Bye bye. We'll see you later in another show. Bye.